Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so today we are going to study subject GK of class 4. Okay. In the last lecture we have studied about insects and birds. Yes, chapter number 5 was different insects and different birds. Now chapter number 6, it is about sea world, insects of sea world, fish. Right. So here we are going to study about sea world. Now see here, open page number 6 in your workbook. Okay, see, first number is Bombay duck is not a duck. It is a fish found in the sea near Mumbai. So children, Bombay duck, by listening a name, you may think that it is a kind of duck, right? But Bombay duck is a name of fish and not a name of duck. Okay, so where it is found? It is found near the sea. Which sea? Near Mumbai. Yes, it is found in the sea near Mumbai, not anywhere else. Okay. Then second number is about seahorse. Okay. So seahorse, sea and horse. By hearing this spelling, you may think that it is a horse, kind of horse, right? But what it is written? Sea horse. Horse कभी पानी में रह सकता है? नहीं. So it is a kind of fish. It is a name of fish. Sea horse. It is a fish which uses its fins and not its tail to swim. So how does a fish swim, children? It swims through its tail, right? But here, see, fish swims with its tails and wings, right? But here, this seahorse doesn't swim with its tail. How it swims? It swims with its fins. Okay. So it is a fish which uses its fins to swim and not a tail. Means it does not use a tail to swim, but it uses its fins to swim in the sea. Okay. So it is a kind of fish. Now see number 3, giant squids. Giant squids have largest eyes. They measure about 11 inches in diameter. How much long they are? They are 11 inches in diameter, right? And giant squid, what does it has? It has largest eyes. Clear up till here? Bombay duck. Bombay duck is the name of fish or a duck? Fish, right? Where it is found? Sea near Mumbai. Then second point is about seahorse. Seahorse is a kind of fish, which uses its fins, right? Which uses its fins to swim and not uses its tail to swim. Okay? 2 points clear. Then third point was about giant squids. So giant squids, how much long they are? They are 11 inches in diameter, right? And what does it has? It has largest eyes, right? So giant squids have largest eyes and it measures about 11 inches in diameter. Clear up till here? Now see number 4. If a starfish is cut into 5 large pieces, each piece will grow into a whole fish if it has a portion of central disc. If that fish has a portion of central disc, then if we cut into 5 pieces, then that fish will grow into 5 large fishes, right? Which fish it is? It is a starfish. Okay. Then female whale. You know that every animal and bird has female, right? So female whale, what does it known as? It known as a cow, right? What we call it as cow. Okay. Then it is about albatross. Albatross has largest wingspan of any seabird, 12 feet 3.7 meters. 12 feet means how much meters? 3.7 meters. Albatross has largest wingspan. They have largest wingspan than any other sea bird. Who? Albatross. How much it is? It is about 12 feet. Remember this. Okay. Then porcupine fish inflates its body to protect itself from the predators. It is also called as a balloon fish. Which fish? Porcupine fish. Okay, so porcupine fish is a kind of fish which body to protect itself from predators. Okay, what is a predator? Predators means who hunt that fish. Okay, so that predators, to protect itself from that predators, what it does? It inflates its body. Okay, and what it is also known as? It is also known as a balloon fish. Porcupine fish is also known as a balloon fish. Okay, then 8 number, Mekong giant catfish is one of the largest fish in the world. How much? Than all other fishes, this fish is very large. How much it grows up to? It grows up to a 10 feet, that is 3 meters. And weight, how much it weighs? It weighs up to 650 pounds. How much? 650 pounds, that is 300 kilograms. Clear? Then 9 number, a group of herons is called a sage. A group of jellyfish is called a smack. What does it known as? Group of herons is called as a sage and group of jellyfish is known as smack, right? Then 10 number, blue fish is called a tailor, right? Blue fish, see here, picture is given to you. It is also called as a tailor. Baby blues, choppers and elves. It is a species of popular marine fish. They are their species, right? Then the butterfly has a spot like a big eye to confuse its enemy. Butterfly fish जो होती है, this is one kind of fish. So butterfly fish has a spot, right? If anybody has some spots on their body, right? So this fish has a spot which is like a eye, so that enemy will be confused. Okay. So clear up till here. See, female male fish को क्या बोलते हैं? Cow. Then albatross has a largest wingspan of any other sea fish. Okay. So it is about 12 feet. Then 7 number was about porcupine fish, right? So porcupine fish is also known as a balloon fish. Why it is known as a balloon fish? Because it inflates its body to protect itself from a predator. Okay. Then Mekong giant catfish. So Mekong giant catfish is a largest fish than any other fish in the world. How much how much it grows? It grows up to 10 feet, that is a 3 meter. And how much it weighs? Its weight is about 650 pounds, that is 300 kilograms, right? Then it is about herons. Okay, so group of herons is known as sage. Remember this. Group of herons is known as sage and group of jellyfish is known as a smack, right? Then it is about bluefish. So bluefish is also known as tailor. Okay. Then butterfly fish. What is about butterfly fish? What it has? It has a spot. Which spot it has? Like a eye. For what? To confuse the enemies. Okay. Clear up till here, children? Okay. So now we are moving with our exercise. See here. Bombay duck is a dash found in the sea near Mumbai. So what is a Bombay duck? I told you that it is not a duck but it is a kind of fish which is found in the sea near Mumbai. So here you will write fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Then the dash is a fish which uses its fins and not a tail to swim. So you know that fish uses a tail and its wings to swim, right? But here this fish does not use its tail. What it uses? It uses its fins. So which fish it was? It was a seahorse, right? You remember? So here you will write seahorse. S-E-A-C-H-O-R-S-E, seahorse. Okay. So here this is known as a horse of a sea. This fish is known as horse of a sea. Then giant squids have largest dash. What it has? Giant squids have largest eyes, right? So here E-Y-E-S, largest eyes. Then if a starfish is cut into 5 large pieces, each piece will grow into a dash. So how each piece will grow here? It is grow into a whole fish. So here you will write whole fish. Okay. So here you will write whole fish. If a starfish is cut into 5 large pieces, each piece will grow into a whole fish. Then if a female or the female of a whale is known as, whale female होती है जो, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Cow, right? Then balloon fish. So balloon fish inflates its body to dash itself from predator. क्यों उसको balloon fish बोला जाता है? ये कौन से fish है? Porcupine fish, right? Why we call it as balloon fish? Because it inflates its body to protect itself, right? So here protect, to protect itself from predators, right? Again we will rise here. See, the Bombay duck is a fish. What it is? It is a fish. Remember, it is not a duck, but is a fish. Kind of fish which is found in the sea. Which sea? Near Mumbai. Okay. Then it is about a seahorse. So seahorse is a fish which uses its fins and not a tail to swim. Giant squids have largest eyes, right? Then if a starfish is cut into 5 large pieces, then each piece will grow into a whole fish. If it is a kind of this, okay. Then female of a whale is also known as a cow. Balloon fish inflates its body to protect itself from predators, right? Then match the following we will do. From this chapter only it is, you have to find where it is matched. See, group of herons. So what it is? It is a group of sage, right? What it is called as? Group of herons is called as a sage. Yes? We have learned here in 9 number that group of herons is called as sage and group of jellyfish is called as a snake, right? So here group of herons means sage. Then mekong. Mekong is one of the largest fish, right? Here we have learned. See here 8 number, mekong giant catfish is one of the largest fish in the world. So here you will write match with D, right? Use the scale while you are matching the match the following answers, okay? Then it is albatross. So albatross has largest wingspan, that is about 12 feet, right? See here 6 number. Okay, so here albatross. Then bluefish. Bluefish is also known as a, see here, tailor, right? Last line 10 number. Bluefish is also known as tailor. Then Bombay duck. Bombay duck is one of the largest, Mekong was one of the largest fish, right? So here, and Bombay duck is a fish, not a duck, okay? So here D number with 5. Clear up till here, children? Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.